Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm Gary Christensen presenting to you today a 2021 Sundance 241BH. Let's start up in the master bedroom for once. Got a nice big bed up top. It folds up, there's storage underneath. You got closets on both sides, upper storage as well. You do have privacy doors that slide out for the bedroom. That way each person can get in on their side of the bed real easy. Moving up forward, we've got the entertainment center, nice big screen TV, monitor panel, a battery disconnect switch is really important. That way you don't drain your battery down. Entertainment center is right next to that, and then down below, oh yes, we've got a fireplace. If you're plugged into electricity, don't burn your propane. Burn a few watts of energy and have a nice campfire and warm heat. Moving down on the driver's side, you've got a nice slide out horseshoe dinette, storage from up top of the seat as well as on the end. The table does fold down to make another sleeping area, and we're going to go down just past that towards the rear of the coach where you've got your pantry, double door pantry, your corner bathroom. It's got a tub shower, plenty of storage, easy access with the toilet. And then we're going to move over on the door side where you've got two twin bunk beds. So you could sleep four back there if you can get them to behave. Moving forward is a double door refrigerator. In the kitchen unit now up above, you have a microwave, two nice storage drawers. Dropping below that is your nice countertop space with your big farm kitchen sink. Three burner stove, oven down below. Fuses and circuit breakers are down below the refrigerator. And then look at all the drawers and doors for storage in the kitchen. Thanks for spending time with me. It's always enjoyable to know that you're watching my video. If you have any questions on this product or anything else, give me a call directly at 541-554-9581 and have a great day. Thanks.